Ladies and gentlemen, somebody recently asked me, what is love? And I said, love is your seventh sense that destroys all your six senses and makes you nonsense. So recently, in one of my batches, one trainee asked me to make a tutorial on how to create humor in your speech. So, well, not just him, in fact, many of them asked me the same question. And he, in fact, hopes to become a stand-up comedian someday. So I have decided to make a tutorial on this, and we will be discussing A to Z of how to create humor and every type of humor there is. So shall we do it? Oh, well, I should have said that with a smile, shouldn't I? So shall we do it? Let's do it! So one curious trainee who was about to get married asked me someday, what would be your best advice for marriage? And even though I'm single myself yet, people ask me for marriage related consultation. Anyway, his question was, what is your best advice for marriage? And I said, the best advice, don't marry. So during his introductory class, an autopsy professor said to his medical forensics students, in order to become successful in medical forensics, you must observe two things. First of all, you must have no fear. So he stood on top of the corpse, he took his pinky, shoved up the nose of the corpse and licked it. And he asked the whole class to do the same thing. Reluctantly, but everybody did that one by one. Everybody got on the top of the corpse, put their pinky in the nose of the corpse and they licked it. And then at the end, once the whole thing was done, the professor burst into laughter and said, the second thing that you must observe is that you pay attention to not just what I say, but what I do as well. You didn't notice I put my pinky, I shoved my pinky up the nose of the corpse and I licked my ring finger. So I was in my gym doing push-ups, and after I was done with 50, I told my gym instructor I can't do it anymore. And the gym instructor said, do it till you fail and not until you give up. And I was like, what the? I told you I don't have Alzheimer's. I have some timers. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget.